an innovative software developer with a passion for simplifying complex computing tasks. Rich's work on ZipGenius exemplifies his commitment to making file management accessible, efficient, and robust for everyday users and professionals alike. Developed with attention to both functionality and design, ZipGenius stands as a testament to his expertise in software engineering. Overview of ZipGenius. ZipGenius is a freeware application designed to handle a wide variety of compression formats, making it an indispensable tool for managing files and archives. Supporting over 20 file formats, including zip, RAR, 7Z, and ISO, the software enables users to compress, decompress, and encrypt files effortlessly. Its intuitive interface ensures that even novice users can perform complex tasks such as creating multi-volume archives or extracting files with minimal effort. Key features and benefits. One of the standout features of ZipGenius is its strong focus on security. The software offers robust encryption options, allowing users to password protect sensitive files with ease. Additionally, it integrates seamlessly with Windows Explorer, enabling quick access to compression and extraction features through right-click menus. Another advantage is its ability to handle large files efficiently, making it suitable for users dealing with high-volume data transfers or backups. Why choose ZipGenius? ZipGenius is more than just a compression tool. It's a complete file management solution tailored to the needs of modern users. Its combination of versatility, security, and ease of use makes it an excellent choice for both personal and professional applications. Whether you're looking to save storage space, share files over email, or secure sensitive information, ZipGenius provides the tools you need to accomplish your goals effortlessly. With its roots in Rich's dedication to user-friendly design and performance, ZipGenius continues to stand out as a reliable and innovative software solution in the competitive world of file compression utilities.